And I thought I'd show you guys today some more fun donuts from Mr. Donuts here in Japan. Currently the character that's sort of the logo or mascot, if you will, of Mr. Donut is Snoopy. And this is their new box design. It features Snoopy and all the other people in the Peanuts gang kind of dressed up in the official Mr. Donut uniform. So they have that nice little maroon hat and the striped shirt. And you can see Woodstock up there looking super cute. I think it's about the same on both sides. Let's see here. No, little Woodstock on the side. That's cute. Yeah, there's big old Charlie Brown and everybody else over here too. So you get the whole gang all the way around, wrapped around. And like I said, this is just sort of what the box looks like for donuts in Japan for Mr. Donut. And if we kind of look at it here from the top, this is a box that usually holds about up to 12 donuts. And I went ahead and got the Christmas ones that they have right now. I was just going to show you guys those. Those are just some regular donuts back there. Their special twist one that's like a glazed and a coffee. Their old-fashioned that's glazed. This is nice because these are little donut holes and they kind of feature a nice variety of all the flavors that you can get here. I can open it and show you guys what it looks like. That's those little donut holes. There's a whipped cream filled, just a chocolate, the old-fashioned style, old-fashioned with chocolate. This is golden chocolate, chocolate with a little golden crunchy crispy thingies, and then this is a strawberry glazed with cream inside as well. Today was nice because it was 100 yen for most of the donuts. So something like this is usually 210 yen, but it was only 100 yen. So that's a good deal. Most of these other donuts, these are a special promotion. So those are usually about 150 yen. Today they were only 100 yen. And these ones are usually about like 150 yen. And these are the Christmas ones. And there's 3 in this series of these special Christmas donuts. And they just are pondating donuts with a glaze and sprinkles. And then those cute little picks inside to show that they're for Christmas. So we've got the chocolate glazed, the white glazed, and then the strawberry glazed. And those are all that they have for Christmas. They do have some other ones that are more of a kind of fancy cakey dessert. It has kind of like a donut base with cream, like a cream-filled donut base, and then on top is like a really light, fluffy whipped cream that kind of is twirled around the top to make it look like a Christmas tree. And there's 4 different flavors, and if you buy one of each of those flavors, you buy that for 1,000 yen, you get those 4 donuts along with Snoopy mug cups or matching plates, one with Snoopy on it and one with Woodstock. So cute promotion that they have. And I'm doing what I did today is I got all 7 of these donuts. I spent 1,000 yen for them instead of getting them just at 100 yen each. And then I was able to get the date book for the next year, for 2013. So let me get these donuts out of the way and I'll show you guys what this date books look like. So the date books, usually you have to kind of collect enough points to get these. Currently you need to have 150 points, which takes quite a bit of time to collect that much points. I think if you spend 100 yen, you get 3 points. So you need to have spent quite a bit to get the points that you'd need for something like this. But this promotion was nice because essentially, even with the donuts only being 1,000 yen, I got this for 300 yen, which is a pretty good price for a schedule. And this is the schedule here. I don't know if I can get it far enough back here so you guys can see how cute it is. They do a schedule book every year at Mr. Donut, and it changes depending on who the character of choice is. A few years back, it was Dudakuma. A few years before that, it was Pondalion, who's their main mascot. Sometimes they do these team-ups with other characters. They've done things with Pingu. They've done things with Rika-chan, which is like the Japanese version of Barbie doll here. So it kind of just depends on what's going to happen for the year of who they're going to team up with. There's 4 colors in this series, and it's kind of nice. It's like a nice canvas kind of background. When you open it all up, it's a big full body view of Snoopy there, standing there with the donut. And then over here, it says Misudo, which is Mr. Donut, and then Snoopy too. And then inside, you've got calendar with the dates. It looks like we've got, just a preview of the year, short-like thing there. Then there's monthly previews where you can see the whole month and write stuff down. And then there's also weekly note places where you can write down weekly what's going on. Then a little section for notes, some blank and lined pages for you to take notes on. And then in the back, there's some of the nice public transit systems, schedules, and maps, which are always nice. And then usually, as always, in the very back are some nice coupons, which are cool, because sometimes they give you a pretty good deal on things. This is for a free half price or free kinds of donuts and stuff like that, things that are 100 yen. So lots of good deals on things. And these just are spread out throughout the year so that you have something good to look forward to as you go through the year. So this isn't really in focus so good, but that's kind of zoomed out to kind of give you a better idea of what it looks like there, because I know when I zoomed in it wasn't so easy to see. But it's about the same size as your hand, so perfect size for your bag. And like I said, there are 4 different colors of this. Pretty cute thing to get. If you are a big fan of Snoopy, it's going to fall down. or you just need a new calendar for the new year. It's always a nice way to get a new calendar. I don't think many people in the States, I don't think we use these anymore. Everybody just uses their cell phones. So, but these kind of calendars are still super popular here for both men and women. So you see a lot of people getting these starting about now. And then once the new year starts, you can get stuff for, a really good price. If there was a really nice, expensive one you wanted, you can wait into the new year. First couple weeks of the new year, if you can wait, you can get a really nice one then. So that's always a good place to look.